Good morning, children. Yesterday we had started with a new chapter that was articles. Now, today we are going to study about the use of articles in detail. First of all, we'll start with use of definite article the. The is used when we mean to indicate a noun as the only one in a context. For example, in our school, we talk about what? The staff room, the library, the basketball ground. Because our school has only one staff room, one library, and one basketball ground. Similarly, we can say the principal when we mean the principal of the school where we study. Secondly, the is used before names of things which are unique or only one. As I already told you yesterday, the is used to determine a definite or a particular thing, like the earth, the moon. The is used before superlatives. We all know, children, there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. So, the is used before superlatives. The is used before some adjectives such as rich, poor, young, old, blind, sick. For example, the rich should help the poor. Here, rich is an adjective and poor is also adjective. The is used with a singular noun when we want to make a general statement about all things or animals of that class. For example, the elephant is the largest land animal. So, here by using the before elephant, we are talking about all things or all the elephants. The is used before uncountables and plural nouns when we talk about something in particular. For example, the apples we bought yesterday are sour. The is used before plural nouns referring to a whole family. For example, the Bachchans are the most respected family in the film fraternity. So here we can see, children, we are specifying which family. Bachchans. So we use the before it. The is used before the names of seas, rivers, canals, mountains, and group of islands also. The is used also before an adjective when it shows a quality. For example, the green color of trees is soothing to the eyes. Again, we use the before a noun to show a unit of measurement. The is also used before the names of directions. For example, Kanyakumari is in the south. Now, use of indefinite article a and an. A and an is used to indicate the sense of one. Wait for a minute. Here we can see that a before minute, it is showing that one. A bird is sitting on the wall. How many birds are sitting? A means one bird is sitting. A and an is used to indicate the sense of any or not special. A fish can swim, a telephone rings. They are also used to indicate the price and rates. For example, milk is 30 rupees a liter. A and an is used to indicate what kind of thing or person, something or somebody is, or what is somebody's job. It is a brilliant idea. He is a short tempered boy. Now, where do we use a? Already we have discussed yesterday that it is used with words which start with vowel letter but produce consonant sounds. And it is also used to show a kind, a class or species. Same way, it is also used before half when half follows as a whole number. A is also used to show rank, profession or community. For example, he is a Hindu. Same way, indefinite article an is used before the countable noun which begins with a vowel sound such as an apple, an umbrella, an egg. An is used with words which start with consonant letter but produce vowel sound such as an hour, an honest, an MP, an SP, etc. Okay, children, I hope now the use of the and a or an is clear to you all. Go through the lesson once again. Have a nice day. Thank you.